My view of the ocean on a beautiful winter day. It's very windy, and I'm just looking through the window, the kitchen window, looking at the ocean. There's a ship all the way out at the sea on this cold winter day. I don't know how people do it. Some people they live underwater, but I don't know how they do it because it's so cool. The wind coming off the water, but I love this beautiful view. Enjoy this beautiful view with me on this lovely winter day, January the 19th, 2021. 2022, sorry. Lovely view of the ocean. Look at that beautiful ocean. Everything God made is perfect. He is perfect. He's just a good God. Only Him alone could make the ocean. No man can do that.